Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to show you how to install and use NordVPN. So here we are on the NordVPN website and we're going to be showing you first how to install the app and then how to use it. So first of all we have the download app option, so we're going to click on it, and after downloading the app we're currently on our setup. So we're going to click next. The next thing we're going to do is to decide which boxes we want ticked. So we have both of them ticked and we're going to click on next. And then now we're ready to install. So we're going to click on install. And now after the installation, you have this other checkbox to be ticked, install the NordVPN browser extension. Of course, we can decide to have this and we're going to click on next. This will require you to restart your computer if you want to restart it now, if you want to use it right now, or no, I will restart it later. We're going to be clicking on the link where you can get up to 60 to 75% of NordVPN's 2-year subscription plus 3 extra months. The link will be in the description down below. So we're going to click on finish and then we're going to open the link. As you can see, we have a whopping 69% off if you follow the link down below for your NordVPN subscription. So in order to get the deal, you could click get deal. So we have the different plans. You have 51%, 64 and 69. You could have the most popular or you could choose the $5.99 per month with more options. As you can see, the $5.99 per month with 69% off has about 1 terabyte encrypted cloud storage. This is the only tier to have this Pro. So to get the complete, you just need to click on it and follow the steps. This would require you to put your email address, add extra services if you want, select the payment method, and go to your checkout. After that's done, you can restart your PC and then log in using the email which you use to check out in order to get the subscription. So this is how to install and use NordVPN.